okay. I'm totally fine. Hello everybody and welcome back to another practice session. This is Matt as always, here practicing sketches and whatever bits and pieces I think I need to work on. Today I'm practicing anime eyes. It's a topic I really like. It's the main thing I focused on when I first started drawing was the anime eyes because I found them very beautiful, and there's such a variety of styles that they change almost for every artist that I've ever seen. Most manga eyes tend to have a very common appearance with small variations depending on the artist's style or the character. But then there are huge differences between, say, the characters of Dragon Ball and the characters of Naruto and the characters of My Hero Academia and the characters of Freezing. All variations of eye and style. Some are more blocky, some are more rounded, some are more so detailed that they really do pop out and look less cartoony. There are other eyes that I do like as well, like the style of J. Scott Campbell, who did A Danger Girl. You can find him on DA. And he has a very beautiful art style, and I like his eyes. They can be very rounded or very sensual, and I do sometimes take some of the attributes that those eyes have that are also present in anime and manga, just so that the style gets what I'm trying to portray. So the eyes are, to me, a very significant part of the overall face structure. So it's important to practice those and get them looking right. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, perhaps learned some tips or at least got some good practice in. If you liked the video, please leave a like by hitting the thumbs up, and if you would like to keep up to date on when I post a video, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. You can also find me on social media, all links are below in the description. But for now, thank you for watching and enjoy your day.